guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of my May CurlBox, and I have a special guest right here. What's your name? Say your name. Tell
Michael.
Michael. Say hi, Michael.
Hi, Michael.
Okay, so I have Michael with me. He's my sweetheart. I love him. But yeah, so you know, always when you open it, yeah, you like that? So when you open the box, you always get the little card that says what the theme of the month is, and it's come clean. Ooh, and it gives the list of the products that we got in the box. So that's awesome. And this month is Originals by Africa Best. I've never used Africa Best products in my hair, so we'll see how it turns out. Okay, Michael, so
I just see the black one down there.
you see the black one down there?
Yeah.
Okay, so are you gonna give me the product? Give me one. Give me a product. Just
This?
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, is it too heavy for you? Okay. So let's go in order. So the first thing we got is this. I guess it's a cap. It's a deep conditioner cap. So that's awesome. I'm gonna open it.
Okay.
This is what it looks like. That's pretty cool. You see that? It's a cap. Look at the cap.
Why?
Why? Why do we have the cap? So we can use it when we're washing our hair.
Oh.
Yeah.
Did you write
So-
down?
Yeah. Do you want to give me that one? Give me this.
This?
Yeah. You can't get it with your truck in your hand.
This is a good button truck.
Okay, the buzz in the truck.
Mm.
Okay, so it's the coconut cream line, and this is the shampoo.
Shampoo?
Yeah, the shampoo for your hair. So it's the
I don't
soft.
want to get ready.
You don't want. It's the sulfate-free moisturizing shampoo, and it's 100% pure coconut milk and aloe. Okay.
I just got my blankie.
Your blanket, his blanket fell. But yeah, so this is the shampoo. You wanna give me this one, Michael? Alright. Thank you. And this is the leave-in conditioner. And it's at 100% coconut milk, avocado, grapeseed, and argan oils. That is awesome. Woohoo. Give me this one. Oh, you got it. You got it. You got it. Yeah. So this is the coconut cream restorative conditioner, and it's 100% pure coconut milk, avocado, grapeseed, and flaxseed oil. So this is pretty nice. It's a big bottle. This is 15 ounce. It's a big bottle, right? Yeah.
A big one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Oh, and it smells tropical. It smells very tropical. You want to smell it? You like it?
I don't.
You don't like it? But yeah, and it has a creamy consistency. It's very creamy and light, so that'll be fun to use.
I have to put it on your thing.
Just to see how it feels like. And it's the last. Give me this one. Oh, so this is the last one. It's the Coconut Shine Regenerative Dry Oil. You got it?
Yeah.
It's your bus, your blanket is about to fall. So this has 100% pure coconut oil, vitamin E, and jojoba, and it's lightweight. So you can use this when you're about to when you're about to straighten your hair, flat iron your hair, blow your hair, you know, it will be a good protecting or heat protecting. So that's everything we got in the CurlBox. So this is pretty neat.
Hey, I see another one.
You see another one? Okay. So guys, I really appreciate it for you stopping by for this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, say subscribe. Say subscribe.
Yeah.
Say it. Say subscribe.
I don't know.
You don't know. So yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Say bye, Michael.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.